A box of goodies arrived for our family from Bonafide Provisions today, and I just want to show you some really awesome stuff about this packaging. It's all biodegradable and recyclable. Even this insulation, let me show you what's in it. Insulation for the box, if I can rip it open here. See all these peanuts in here? These are all based of starch, and they're all completely recyclable and biodegradable. And what you can actually do with these, a cool use, is to rip these peanuts out and put them on your garden and water them into the soil, and this starch will form a natural barrier for weeds around your landscaping plants. So you can actually biodegrade these yourself for your lawn maintenance and your garden maintenance. And of course all this paper is recyclable. Now this little piece of plastic is not, but you can recycle that at many supermarkets. Will take clear plastic bags to recycle. And then of course, here's my wonderful bone broth, my bone broth soups to restock our freezer.